Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to mosaic two separate raster data in ArcGIS environment. To do this, I want to add my raster data first. From Add Data, go to the folder that you have your raster data. This is the first one. And this is second. I have here two separate raster data. I want to mosaic them to be a new raster one. For this purpose, the first important thing is to check the coordinate system. If they have not correctly coordinated, we need to first do the coordinate system, then we can merge or mosaic them. For the first time, I will use properties from source. I can check the coordinate system. From spatial references, here we have their coordinate system. Since it's right, I don't need to change it. Right now, I will do the same thing for the second raster data from source, spatial references. That's right. Okay. Right now, I can go to search from tools. If you don't have these options in your ArcGIS environment, you can use Windows and search here. Here I have these options. I select tools and I'm looking for mosaic to new raster. Okay, we have list of mosaic options. However, as I said before, I'm gonna choose this one. In the Open It panel, we have input rasters, that it's asking us to input the rasters that we are going to mosaic. By opening these options, I can do this one by one. The output locations, you have to define an output location for your data. You just need to select the folder. That's it. Very good. In the next step, you have to give it a name. Raster data with name. It's gonna be digital elevation model. If, as I said before, your coordinate system is not right, you can use these options in order to define a new coordinate system. Here we have different options. However, you can use project the coordinate system and UTM, WGS, and it's gonna be in northern hemisphere. You can use this one. However, you can use southern hemisphere if this area is located in this part. Since the coordinate system is right, I don't need to change them. Pixel type is better to leave them in default. Cell size, the spatial resolution of my raster data is 10 meters. However, you can do this if you are interested. Number of bands, since we have just one band, I will put 1, since it's gonna be one mosaic raster data. Okay, here also there is options to how to use mosaic operators. I will leave them in default. However, if you need more help, you can use this information. This method used to mosaic overlapping areas. For example, this one. Further information regarding the first operator, last operator, blended, mean, and so on. All of them is related to the pixels that are going to mosaic together, and also color map. You can see here also we can find a lot of information here. If you are interested in, let's say, having a lot of knowledge regarding different parts, you can easily click on the tools that you are interested, and all the information is going to be available here. Okay, very good. I don't want to change anything. Right now I can click on OK. It's going to take a while. After a while, it's going to create the mosaic. I deselect the previous raster data. As you can see, the unique raster file is created. In order to be more beautiful, from properties, from symbology, I will classify this data into 5 classes. Use hillshed to be much more good looking. Okay, very good. In this video I demonstrated how to merge two raster data in ArcGIS environment. I hope the content of this video will be useful for you. If you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel in order to be notified regarding the future videos from my channel. Thank you very much for your attention.